Well, hello everyone. This might be my final live. I'm not sure if I'm going to show up tomorrow or not. We have 3 more presentations in the Light Language Symposium, and today's presenter is Nina Starsong. I'll be on tomorrow along with the closing ceremony, which is out of this world amazing. But today we're highlighting Nina Starsong, and I can't say enough about her presence and the potency of her transmission. You're just going to have to watch it for yourself to see that and to feel and experience that. If you have not yet registered for the Light Language Symposium, it's not too late. Like I said, there's still 3 more transmissions, so definitely go to the link in the description and sign up for free. The codes that Nina brings through and the amplification provided by Prime Creator that I brought through was just absolutely out of this world. And so you definitely want to work with grounding after engaging with this transmission, because it is definitely very potent and the frequencies are high. And I have to say, I think I mentioned in my video yesterday, I've been doing this for a long time, so I'm very familiar with a lot of the frequencies. And Nina definitely activated me with some of the frequencies. So especially the part about the Immaculate Conception, that is kind of a new concept for me, a new frequency to work with. So when you engage in her transmission, I say use responsibly, because these frequencies are very potent. And we want to make sure that we are grounded and integrating these frequencies to the best of our ability. And if you missed yesterday, at the end of my live, I did a really short meditation to help you ground. So go back and catch that if you missed that yesterday. It's on my YouTube, my Instagram, right here on Facebook, on LinkedIn. You can, it'll be easy to find it. Okay. So I'm just going to tune in to see if the Manevra light beings want to bring anything through today. They have just something really brief for us today. Hui kyo chi a nga mokucho to ongo mokucho to ongo mokucho to ongo ari nga mokche te. We invite you now to slow down and to drop into your bodies. Momokche e ankoto ringa ankietato avrikacho anto no munkyonto ankiete. Nankiete anchioto oe arishionkoto ya muy hocho. We have brought through many activations, many higher frequencies, and it's time now to slow down and integrate. We invite you to breathe deep down into your bodies, as this channel always says. We invite you to bond with your mother planet, your mother earth planet. She will support you when you bond with her, when you respect and love her. And I just also really feel a desire from Mother Earth to bond with us, to connect with us. And, I feel like she wants to support us also. She wants to help us as humans, because we help her. And so there's a very symbiotic relationship that we as humans can have with Mother Earth. Now, not everyone does. Not everyone respects and loves her. Not everyone takes care of her. But we can have that beautiful, deep connection with Mother Earth. And as the Manera light beings were speaking, I could just feel like that. I'm going to use the word fusion, a fusion of us as humans with Mother Earth. And it just felt really beautiful and really symbiotic and really powerful. So I invite you next time you go outside to really take notice of what you see, what you feel, what you experience. If you see litter on the ground, pick it up. If you see graffiti on a rock, remove it or find someone who knows how to remove it. It is important that we learn how to respect the planet that we live on, because it is our support, and she loves us and wants to support us, but we also have to support her and respect her. So I didn't expect any of this to come through today, but apparently this is important. So, and it is important. So I love you guys. I appreciate you. If you've been part of the Light Language Symposium, please do drop a comment below. Let me know what you've been experiencing. I did try to go on the site yesterday and read all of your comments for each of the presentations, but for some reason, even though I'm the host, I wasn't able to access the comments. So I gotta wait till Monday when my tech person can help me out. All right, so much love, you guys. Definitely tune in to Nina today. Her presentation drops at 10 a.m. Pacific. It'll be available for free for 24 hours. And then tomorrow, my presentation with the Manera Light Beings and the closing ceremony, which is so beautiful. Lots of the presenters were able to show up for that. And just a really powerful gathering. I might come on live tomorrow. I'm not sure. We're going to see. It's Sunday. I need a rest. It's been a pleasure being your host for this. Much love, you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.